So guys, crypto arbitrage. Yeah, that's the one. I'm glad to see you all back on my crypto blog. Mike here, make yourself comfortable because here we go. As we've all noticed, cryptocurrency is making some strange moves, but nothing can stop crypto arbitrage. Today, we're going to talk about my favorite coin, XRP. Since the price is always changing every second, I won't tell you the exact price of the coin because by the time that you watch this video, the price will be completely different. This volatility presents a good opportunity to leverage my crypto arbitrage scheme, a method that involves trading between two exchanges to make profit. I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide that's easy for anyone to follow and repeat. Our strategy involves buying XRP or other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Solana on one exchange such as Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, and selling it on PC Bitcoin. PC Bitcoin offers an XRP rate approximately 14 to 16% higher than Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase. This means we can purchase XRP on Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase and sell it on PC Bitcoin, making a profit of 14 to 16% for each transaction based on the initial investment. While Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase need no introduction, let me provide some insights into PC Bitcoin. Operating since 2018, PC Bitcoin boasts a presence on Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram, a testament to its reliability and established standing in the crypto exchange arena. For more details, you can visit their website or social media channels linked in the video description. Now, let's dive into a trade example with an initial amount of $6,000 and assess the potential earnings. On Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase, we'll purchase XRP for $6,000. The next step is transferring the acquired XRP to PC Bitcoin. Head to the wallet, access the deposits page, copy the XRP address and initiate the transfer from Binance, Bybit or Coinbase to PC Bitcoin. Once XRP arrives on PC Bitcoin, we proceed to the trading page and sell the coins for a 14 to 16% higher price than the initial purchase. This results in a profit of $900 or more, starting with the initial $6,000 investment. Withdraw the funds back to any crypto wallet. Visit the withdrawal tab, enter the withdrawal address from a wallet like Coinbase, Binance or Bybit. I recommend using the TRC20 network for speed and low commissions. Click withdraw to complete the transaction successfully. Now, our funds are back in Binance, resulting in a 14 to 16% profit from the initial $6,000. This showcases that with a larger starting amount, you can achieve higher profits within approximately 15 minutes. Now, feel free to increase the starting amount with each trade, repeating the process for more significant profits. And as seen on your screens, we made over $900 profit from a few transactions between two exchanges. Now, I highly recommend using this strategy's potential before any fixes. And remember to subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our future uploads. Wishing you big profits, and I'll catch you in the next one.